I'm Rosa. Today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite things to do, which is repurposing old clothes. This was something my grandma used to do. And back in the day, old clothes weren't thrown away. They were frequently repaired, handed down, or repurposed. Today in the US, we generate more than 25 billion pounds of consumer fabric and clothing waste each year. That includes clothing like shoes, linens, towels, and other fabrics. That's a lot of waste. So today, I'm going to show you one way you can help reduce this waste and have something new to wear. You will need scissors, elastic that measures around your shoulder stretched. I use elastic that is 1 inch thick for this shirt. Needle and thread or sewing machine. Now, cut along the shirt from sleeve to sleeve, about 3 to 4 inches from the top of the sleeve. The best place to cut in front of the shirt is right in the bottom of the second button. Now fold inwards about 1/4 of an inch and sew a hem. Fold it again, giving enough space for the elastic, and sew a bigger hem. And finally, pull the elastic through the buttonhole and sew the elastic together to secure. That's it, you're done. Now you have a brand new blouse. And I even had enough fabric to make a matching mask too.